It's done.
Is it?
Okay, let's see the magic.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Ah.
Wow!
Ah.
Beautiful!
Wow. Wow.
Very nice!
Wow.
I'm happy!
Wow.
Ah,
Looks really beautiful.
smells so good.
Yeah. Magic at
You
home.
want to try?
Yeah, let's try. Come.
Let's try.
It's cooked completely, see?
Wow.
cooked from the inside.
Is it juicy?
Yeah, it is. I can see the juice.
Hey, try.
inside.
Try.
Yeah. Wow, smells exactly the same.
Using spoon to eat 三千八好搞笑。
Super.
Nice.
Very nice, very, very
nice.
nice.
Happy.
Very.
Good. This is a recipe that I learned from internet. Okay, we are living in the UK and we miss dim sum. This is a very nice dim sum that Gaga likes to eat. Husband likes to eat. Okay, this is crispy pork bun, 生煎包. Okay?
生煎包.
Yes.
Crispy pork bun.
Yes, crispy pork bun.
A bao.
Bao.
Okay.
Okay, so this is pork, minced pork. The best is to use 20% fat. Okay, I've marinated already by Chinese cooking wine, salt, soy sauce, sugar, sesame oil, and I put bone broth. People usually just put water. Why do you have to put water? Because you need it to be moist. And then when you eat the crispy bun, outside is crispy, inside there's a lot of juice.
Soup.
coming out.
Juice. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a soup crispy bun.
Yeah.
Okay?
Very popular in
Yes.
China and in Hong Kong as well.
Yes.
And in Asia actually, many other
Yeah.
countries in Asia. Yes.
Yes, it's a snack that you can get
It's amazing.
in one chai.
Yeah.
Hong
One
Kong.
chai.
Okay, so I put bone broth, beef bone broth, or you can
Nice.
put pork bone broth or chicken bone broth, and to enhance the flavor, instead of just putting water. Okay,
Cool.
yeah. And this is spring onion chopped. You have to marinate the spring onion by putting oil, because when you mix these two together, then the salt in the minced pork will not withdraw the water from the spring onion, and then become very watery before it's cooked. So you have to put oil. Okay.
Okay. Which oil did we use?
I use olive oil, but it doesn't matter actually. Just
Okay.
use whatever oil you like.
Cool.
Okay. So you mix these two ingredients just before you started making the bun. Okay. So let's do it. Not mix it too soon, okay? Otherwise the vegetables will become not fresh. I have marinated this meat overnight.
Kept it in the fridge.
Yes. By the way, this is the first time I'm making it.
Let's see how it goes.
Yes. This is what we are going to use to make the bun. Pizza dough. It's pre-made pizza dough and you can get it from the UK supermarket. Okay, this is from the brand Pizza Express. This is a pizza restaurant that you can have.
If you're doing it in Asia, what would you use?
Oh, you can ferment it by yourself. Make it from the scratch.
Oh.
Yeah, water and flour and ferment and yeast, everything. Yeah. This is how people usually use the pizza dough to make pizza at home. This is the base, and then you can put the toppings. Then you don't have to think about how to ferment. Because it's a little scary for people to feel like they have to make it from the beginning, right? Especially for fermentation. Not everybody is good at this science.
Correct.
So this is already ready. Just need to remove the package. You see, unroll this package, put toppings, and then cook, and then you can enjoy the pizza.
Cool.
See, it's extremely convenient.
Good product.
Okay, so let's see. Oh, it's already rolled up.
How is it?
You can see there's a lot of air inside. See? I'm sure it's
Cool.
fermenting. Just cut it. Wow. Okay. Like this. Wow. Wow. Nice. Oh, you see, this is how they do it. They have already made it into like a sheet so that you can immediately use it as a pizza base. You don't even have to roll it. Okay, but today we are using it for the bun, so we have to do something else. So first of all, you have to put flour on the counter. Okay, to avoid it sticking. Oh, actually, the whole thing goes to the oven, you understand?
Yeah,
Because it's a baking paper.
correct.
Oh, it's nice. Just need to unroll it, unroll it, unroll it, unroll it. See. Wow, it's very convenient. See? It's very convenient, the whole thing. Like this.
Wow,
Just put toppings, bake. Wow, brilliant.
lovely.
So this one is going to be divided into 16 portions, okay? 16 portions. Because we can make 16 bun by using this. Okay, let's think about it. Okay. Let's do 4 by 4. Okay? So we have to use this one to cover it up, to prevent the moisture from evaporating. Maybe I can make it into round shape by squeezing it together.
Yeah, just make it into a ball.
Come on.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, like this.
Done.
Perfect.
Mm.
Then it can like this.
Mm.
Right?
Yeah, simple.
Simple. Okay?
Nice.
better.
A lot nicer.
Yeah, if you do the round shape, it's not nice.
Yeah, a lot nicer.
Nice.
Mm.
Yeah. Somebody's very hungry, so we are going to cook egg first, okay? So that we can eat first. We're using the chicken oil that we made at home by frying the chicken skin. You see, it's golden.
I think we have a video about that. How to make
Yeah, it's
chicken
very
oil
nice.
from chicken skin.
You see? So we are going to use chicken oil to fry the bun. It will give extra really nice fragrance. Okay? For cooking this bun, you don't have to wait for the pan to get hot. You can just put the bun directly. Okay. Let it melt a bit. You see your face? So angry. Okay, bun the mouth facing down. Okay. Hey, we have too much space, but wow, beautiful,
Wow.
right? Wow, oh shit, oh shit. Okay, let it be, let it be more. Okay, then I can put water.
Yeah.
Wow, beautiful.
Yeah, looks nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Now
Okay.
I put.
What is the next step?
Next step is to put flour water. This is plain flour water. Okay. To open the lid very slowly, okay, batch by batch, to avoid sudden changes in temperature. Otherwise, the bun will have uneven, like outlook.
The shape and
Yeah,
the
the shape
yeah, it will not be nice. Okay, let's see how it is. Slowly.
So to minimize the gap of the temperature difference, basically, like this.
Wow, it's become nice.
Put a little bit of spring onion for decoration. Okay. You can also put some sesame seed.
Just that we don't have it here.
Just wait. Smells good.
Smells good, yes.
It's done.
Is it?
Okay, let's see the magic.
Okay, let's see.
Okay.
Ah.
Wow!
Ah.
Beautiful!
Wow. Wow.
Very nice!
Wow.
I'm happy!
Wow.
Ah,
Looks really beautiful.
smells so good.
Yeah. Magic at
You
home.
want to try?
Yeah, let's try. Come.
Let's try.
Shall we try?
Yes, the whole thing is for this small boy only. Because this is his favorite dim sum.
Wow.
San Jin Bao.
Wow. I'm going to take this one because it's already separate. Okay. Ready?
Traditionally, we eat with vinegar and garlic sauce, but of course he won't.
Yeah, I want.
He will eat with mayonnaise.
But
He's a foreigner.
do I need to? Yeah, I need to flip it.
Is it crispy at the bottom? How about, is there any juice coming out?
Let's see.
You're using a spoon to eat San Jin Bao?
Yeah, I have to break it.
Really? Oh,
It's cooked completely. See?
wow.
from the inside.
Is it juicy?
Yeah, it is. I can see the juice.
Hey, try.
inside.
Try.
Yeah. Wow, smells exactly the same.
Using spoon to eat San Jin Bao, you guys.
Superb.
Nice?
Very nice, very
Nice? Happy?
Very.
Okay. Thank you for the recipe
Thank you
that
for
we
the
got
recipe.
from YouTube.
Very nice.
You see his face?
It's very nice.
He's very happy.
Looks like one try.
One try Hong Kong. Thank you very much for watching the video. can try this recipe.